Hello, everyone. Doing a quick video here. I've released a little project, something that I was hoping to use myself, and I figured I might as well share it with everybody. This is related to 3D printing, and those who do 3D printing, release the project files, things like that. What this is a 3MF utility that you can use to uh, extract thumbnails from 3MF files that you've downloaded from sites for sharing 3D files, or you can even use it to replace the thumbnail. So if you've made your own file and you took a picture of the final project and you want to use that as the thumbnail for your 3MF file for your printer, you can use this to insert that thumbnail so that it replaces the existing thumbnails. Uh, this is a work in progress. This is kind of the very first edition after running all the tests, making sure everything was working correctly for the base release. This can also extract the STL files. So even though the 3MF may not have the STL, it still has the objects and all that in it that's going to be printed, and this can pull that out. This is all using the official 3MF library from the 3MF consortium in Python. So this should be able to run on Macs and Windows as well. So it's just a quick little utility. If you've got a lot of 3MFs with uh, pictures in the folder with them, you could probably write out a quick little bash script or Windows batch file to go through and insert them all accordingly. So hopefully somebody finds this useful. If you find any issues with it, by all means, let me know. This is something I wanted to release for the community. So if you find problems with it, hey, just reach out to me or um, use the issues here on GitHub. I do have a link to this in my link tree, which I'll include in the description of the video and all. And it's also on my bio and my profile on Instagram. So you can go there and you can get the link to my link tree there, which has a little section on it for software. Currently, this is the only one in it. And I'm going to run through a quick test here just to show you um, what it can do here. Now, with the tests, it'll run all the tests and name all the files based on the test. But if you notice here, the README does include what it does, how to run it, do the install, and it also tells you how to use it from the command line. All right. So you don't have to run a test to get everything done. You can just extract or insert directly using the commands here. All right. Now I will tell you this: most 3MF files, all the objects in them are ASCII. So just run it with default. Don't even bother extracting the binary because it won't work with most of them. Um, on the testing here, I'm just going to run the test command, as you see right here, and that's going to go through and create all the files performing the tests. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and switch over to a command prompt and go up a folder here. Go ahead and run this real quick. All right, you're going to see it go through. It'll tell you where all the files are, but it does put everything into a separate folder so that you can easily go in and look at the test results. All right. So as you can see here from the test, it ran a total of 10, and it has the name of the test and everything right here. And it looks like all of them passed. As you can tell, it was very quick. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the test output folder. And let's switch this to thumbnail because that's what we're wanting to see anyway. All right. So as you can see here, here's the original extracted thumbnail from the file I use as my test. Um, this is the thumbnail that I want to start putting in it. All right. And here is the test after it's modified it. So if you notice .3mf, so this is the 3mf file with the different thumbnail. So it's no longer this one, it's going to be this one. All right. So that's how that works as far as updating it. So you can either make it a picture that you've taken or um, a graphic image that you want to use for it. This here just so happens to be a captured picture from the slicer software of the logo that is used in it. So that's all that is. All right. Simple, straightforward, and hopefully some people other than me find this useful. Like I said, this was something that I was needing, and I figured might as well share it with the community. Um, Again, if you have any feedback or have issues with it, or would even like to see this expanded to do certain other things, just let me know. You can use the issues on here. If you want to modify the code and submit it back, you can do a pull request for it. Um, you can also reach me via email or even here through the comments. But that's it. So hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great week and a great start to October. Thank you.